Hello, ready to discover how easy it is to manage leave settings and add a new leave category in Udyamo HRMS? Let's dive in. First, I'll log in using my Microsoft account. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. From here, go to the sidebar, click on the settings and then select leaves. This will take you to the leave setting page. Click on add new button, enter the category name, example sick leave, vacation, etc. Specify the number of days per year for this category. Choose the leave type and click Save to create a new leave category. Next, you will be directed to the entitlement options page where you can define the rules for this leave policy. Entitlement: specify who is eligible for this leave policy. Accrual setup: determine how much leave is available, granted and how often. Accrual: define the amount and timing for leave crediting. Carryover setup: enable the carry forward option for unused leave if necessary. Once you have set up these details, click Update and continue. Then, configure the applicability to determine who the policy applies to, whether the whole organization, specific department, or individual employees. Finally, click Save and Update. After creating the leave category, simply toggle it on to activate it so that everyone can view the category. If you need to make changes later, you can easily edit or delete the leave category. To edit, click on the Edit option. This will open the same settings you used to create the category. Make any adjustments and click Update. To delete a category, click on the Delete button. A confirmation prompt will appear. Just click Yes, I'm sure to confirm. Once deleted, the category will no longer be visible. If you don't want to delete the category but wish to temporarily disable it, simply toggle the leave category to inactivate. And that's it. Managing your leave categories in Udyamo HRMS is quick, simple and hassle-free. Thank you.